Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach and psychologist. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Well, just to reverse the situation is a lot of whole thing. Napakalaking bagay nito. And if you are thinking na I'm going to give you the best tips right now, yes, I'm going to give you the best tips right now. But I will just make some sort of suggestion to you in order for you to become better at better. Dito sa ganitong craft of getting your ex back. Kasi kung iniisip ninyong it's easy to do, yes, it's easy to do if you have this collective knowledge and understanding about how to get your ex back. Kung meron kang ganong knowledge and understanding, then mas magiging madali at mas magiging easy ang pagbabalik ng ex mo. Well, ano ba ang mga tips na mabibigay ko sa'yo? Number 1 tip, ubusin mo na lahat ng oras mo kaka-study ng how to get your ex back. Nandyan na, nasa YouTube na. Yung mga turo ko, yung mga teachings ko, nandyan na, yung mga strategies ko, I have 400 videos. Tignan mo lahat ng getting your ex back dyan, kung paano ibalik sa ex, paano magabol ng ex. Panoorin mo lahat sila, huwag kang tamarin. Study. Study, 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 study. You need to understand it first before you execute it. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng bibirahin mo agad yung isang bagay na hindi mo pa ganoong naiintindihan. Kaya kung nakadalawa-tatlong videos ka pa lang, tapos magno-no contact rule ka na, I think the knowledge is not enough. Ngayon, manood ka ng maraming videos ko, or pwede ka rin, pwede mo rin pagsabayan na habang nanonood ka ng mga videos ko, pwede ka rin naman manood sa iba. Why not? Wala namang bawal doon. Basta mabalik mo lang yung ex mo, malaking bagay na yun. Para makita mo rin yung ibang view ng no contact rule at kung paano din ito gamitin. Nandyan na ang resources mo sa YouTube. All you need to do is just take a study. Or the number 2 thing is for one-on-one coaching. That will help a lot. Kasi maraming ina-underestimate ang one-on-one coaching pero hindi nila alam na yun pala yung key para mabalik yung ex nila. They just need to understand the situation. Kung may chance pa o wala na, or kung talagang gusto nilang ibalik, ipipilit pa natin yan. Gamit yung mga diskarte na mabibigay sa one-on-one coaching. So one-on-one coaching is also advisable if you want this one to be more and more effective. Kasi kung iniisip ninyo na ang gagawin lang natin is just a minor thing. No, it's actually a big thing. It's actually one of the major things na pwede mong gawin is to make a step para ibalik ang ex mo. So those 2 things are really important. Number 1 is studying and number 2 is one-on-one coaching. So if you have this amount of knowledge and you have the knowledge from your coach itself, then mas mapapadali yung execution. Ngayon, ang pinaka-tips lang naman dyan, ang pinaka-core lang naman kasi dyan, kung gusto nyo talagang humabol ang ex ninyo, at ang pinaka-powerful tips na maibibigay ko sa inyo, is being confident and being happy. Kung kaya nyong ipag-combine yung dalawang yan, I know how hard it is, but trust me, if you believe in my words, then everything will not be that hard. Okay? Hindi na magiging ganun kahirap ang lahat. All you need to do is just to believe me. Maniwala ka kasi sa akin. Kung magiging masaya at magiging confident ka sa sarili mo, you can get your ex back. I can guarantee that. As long as you are using the no contact rule, you are having a happy experience, just doing your thing. Come on, man. Back in the days, hindi mo naman kilala yung ex mo. You're happy, right? Kahit simpleng beach lang na-appreciate mo. Tumaas kasi yung level ng dopamine mo to the point na parang hindi ka na magiging masaya kapag wala yung ex mo or wala siya sa buhay mo. But that's absolutely a lie and you don't need to believe that. Huwag kang magpaloko sa sarili mo or sa sarili mong illusions. Kasi kapag naloloko ka ng illusions mo, dyan ka din magfo-fall down. So, that's your opinion. And I don't think na yung opinion mo nagmamatter siya right now. Dahil right now, devastated ka and all you're thinking right now is to get your ex back. By the way, sundan mo yung mga tips ko. Study one-on-one coaching. And those things, those are the powerful tips that I can give to you. Those are the powerful tips to get your ex back. Available na sa YouTube at sa internet lahat ng mga idea how to get your ex back. Take advantage of that. And I believe na lahat ng yan mag-work. And at the same time, sabayan mo din ng self-improvement, lahat ng mga improvement na alam mo, gawin mo. That's actually a basic tip na kailangan mo lang gawin. And just being happy and being confident in what you're doing. Just enjoy this journey. Believe me, marami kang matututunan. Lalo mong mamahalin ang sarili mo at higit sa lahat, lalo kang mag-i-improve. Because of this breakup, it is a win-win situation sa'yo. Dahil after nito, lahat ng lesson ay matututunan mo and you will learn the great strategy of psychology. So just enjoy your journey. Thanks for watching.